I forget. Sorry. Okay. Now the First World War. The First World War was fought between 1914 and 1918. Please remember the dates. Please remember the years. Okay. It was fought between 1914 to 1918. It was a total of 4 years. Okay. The whole war took place for 4 years. Okay. This is your question at the end. Write a brief on the First World War. Okay. So don't need to write now. You can write it later. But let's explain it. I'm explaining it to you also. Just pay attention. Okay. Major countries took part of Europe. Major countries of Europe took part in. Europe had a very central place in the international or global system at that time. The war caused a tremendous loss of life and property. So during the First World War, Europe was the main party. ठीक है, Europe के पास सब था. Europe was like that famous guy in school. ठीक है, सब लोग उसके पास जाते थे. Okay, even the teachers like that student. So Europe was that student. Okay, so Europe was like ना मैं शाना है रे, मैं पूरा 10 मतलब मैं पूरा 90% लाएगा. तो मेरे सामने कोई करेगा नहीं. So what Europe did, Europe waged a war, and after the war, like after the First World War, there was so much loss of life and property because innocent men were killed, innocent women were killed, innocent children were killed. उनके घर पे बॉम्ब सब डाल के लोग को मार दिए गए. ठीक है. So because of that ना, the country couldn't recover from anything. Okay. India did not take part in the First World War as a front world country, but India took part on behalf of British. Okay, तो British लोग ने क्या आइडिया किया? What British said, why to send? British लोग ने बोला मैं अपने आदमी क्यों भेजूं मरने के लिए? मैं इंडिया के आदमी लोग को भेजेगा अपने नाम पे मरने के लिए. तुम लोग जाओ लड़के मर के. ठीक है, this is what British did. Okay, the countries which joined the war suffered tremendous losses. Even the countries which did not join the war was impacted by the war. The economies of the victories as well as the losing countries collapsed. Economies collapsed. Basically, what happened due to the coronavirus? Okay, the economy of India collapsed. The same way due to the war, everything collapsed because everything stopped. ऐसा नहीं ना कि बाजू में war है और मैं जाके क्रिकेट खेल रहा रास्ते पे. No, it's not allowed. War के time everyone has to sit at home. तुम लोग even I don't know if your grandparents are there, you all can ask your grandparents. Your grandparents might be the part of the Second World War. Okay, my grandma used to tell me when the war was taking part. Obviously, the war was not taken part in India, but there were fighter jets that were flying over India. So what they had to do when the fighter jets used to fly over India, they had to leave their house and go and stand in at a particular hiding spot. Okay, where the jet plane couldn't see them, and unke windows pe they had to put newspaper so no one could see inside. Okay, this was the tough time they were going through during the First World War. Okay, now we'll see which countries were part during the First World War. Okay, there were two teams, like how you play cricket, Mumbai, Chennai, India, Pakistan. There are two teams. Okay, in this the teams were the Central Powers and the Allied nations. Okay, the Central Powers consisted of the Austrian-Hungarian Empire, the German Empire, and the Ottoman Empire, and the Allied nation consisted of the Great Britain, France, Russian Empire. So these two, ये दोनों के बीच में झगड़ा हुआ. And they were like, because they wanted to, each one wanted to be a supreme power. Okay, each wanted to be like, मेरा country सबसे बड़ा है, मेरे country के सामने कोई आ नहीं पाएगा. So these two countries had a war between them. Okay, you all can write this down if you all want. The Allied powers and the Central powers. Okay. So the Allied powers had Britain, France, Russia, Italy, America, and the Central power had Germany, Austria, Hungary, Ottoman Empire, Bulgaria. So according to you all, which power did India fight as? According to you all, India किसके अंदर था? Britain. Absolutely correct. India, absolutely correct. India fought under the Allied powers. Everything clear till ये समझ रहा इधर तक तुम लोग सबको? Oh, very good. The loss of because see the First World War was nothing. First World War के पहले कोई war हुआ नहीं था. That's why the name is First World War. So people were in shock. Okay, like इतने लोग मारे गए because they had not seen anything before that. Okay, and if you all think First World War was so bad, now you all should see the Second World War. Second World War तो और भी क्या गुजरा था. I'll tell you all why. Okay.
Sir, you're teaching what?
Yeah, Krishna.
Sir, sorry so
what happened now? No worries. Okay, so listen. I'll tell you.
My class is there, no? And rain is there and light is gone. That's why she sent all home.
No worries, no worries. So what now? The yesterday ka what we are doing now, endogenetics. So that I gave as homework. Okay, I've sent the PDF on the group. You have to write the remaining answers which you have not written. You have to write and send it to me by tomorrow 5 p.m. Okay, and after that I gave for homework. After that, we just started this new chapter. Is the political science ka first chapter. Okay, in this chapter there's basically three things. There's the First World War, Second World War, and the Cold War. Okay, from that we just started on the First World War. Okay, so I'll just give a brief. I'm not told anyone to write anything. So I'll just pay attention. Writing work I'll can do tomorrow also. Okay, so First World War started from 1914 to 1918, and Europe had a bigger hand in this because Europe was more developed than any other country in the world. Okay, the First World War resulted in tremendous loss of people. Well, both obviously people died. People died in a huge quantity. Okay, and obviously buildings, because bomb pheka to building bhi gir gaya. Okay, these were the nations that participated in World War One. There were two teams. One was Central Powers, one was Allied. Okay, we are done till here. So everyone is writing this. Everyone is done writing this.
Sir, what we have to write?
Just write the powers that were that had taken part in the First World War. Sorry. Yes.
Sir, we have to just write the lesson number and write this, no?
Yeah, even if you have not written, I have not given ज़्यादा लिखने को, because this chapter I'm just giving all a premise. मैं तुम लोगों को बस summary दे रहा हूँ. Properly I start this chapter tomorrow के lecture में when I'll have a proper
Sir, और आपने क्या लिखने दिया इसके अलावा?
कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ यही लिख रहे थे. पहला बात देखो, ऐसा अलग से नहीं दिया मेरे लोग को. I was just giving a summary for them. I'll start this chapter again from starting. I'm going to start this chapter tomorrow where I will tell you to write everything. Okay, today just I'm giving a summary. I'm not told anyone to write it.
अभी नहीं लिखा और कल लिखा तो चलेगा?
हाँ चलेगा, मैं इसलिए तो बोल रहा है. So don't worry. Okay, I'm just giving you a summary. At the end of the First World War, all nations felt such a war should not happen again, and some measures needed to be taken to achieve that end. A League of Nations was established out of this thinking. The main responsibility of the League of Nations was understood to be avoiding war. So क्या हो गया? World War One के बाद obviously there was so much loss कि कोई मतलब लोग मर चुके थे, इतने सारे लोग मरे कि people also lost hope. So they formed a League of Nations. Okay, now what is League of Nations? Like IPL, you all know IPL. Okay, how in IPL
Indian
there are
Premier
different
League.
yeah, absolutely correct. How in IPL there are different teams from one nation. In League of Nations also there were different nations. Like, you know, India was not a part, British was part, French was part. So what they did, they told that जो भी झगड़ा है ना, dispute is that we'll solve between us, but हम लोग war होने नहीं देंगे. Because if another war would happen, then the casualties, like a death, would be more than this. But did League of Nations work? एक और war हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? World War One के बाद war हुए कि नहीं हुए?
हाँ सर, और
हुए ना, बराबर, absolutely. So League of Nations did not work, and it resulted into World War Two. Now World War Two was far more dangerous than World War One. Why all will ask? Because World War One में they did not have much equipment. ठीक है, बंदूक था और ग्रेनेड था बस. World War Two में क्या क्या? World War Two में ships आया, fighter jets आया, grenades आया, bombs आया, plant करने के लिए tanks आया, absolutely correct, tanks आया. So because of all these things, now World War Two was much more dangerous than World War One. World War One चीटी लग रहा था World War Two के सामने, इतना कम ये था. ठीक है, so we'll stop here today. This was just a summary for you all. I'm not starting because obviously the time is up.
Sir,
So tomorrow, yeah Krishna.
Sir, 40 minutes में आपने इतना क्या सीखा है?
मैं कुछ नहीं सीखा, तू पूछ ले लो. मैं क्या कर रहा था, जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर था ना, the endogenetic movements, I was explaining that. So वो तुम लोग का homework है. Okay, you try and attempt that. It's easy. If you don't understand, you can ask me. I'll teach that to you again. Okay, because if I start now, पूरा ऑफिस के लोग को भी ये हो जाएगा and वो time भी खत्म हो जाएगा. So I send the PDF on the group. I send the PDF. हाँ चलेगा, no worries. I'll upload this. So I send the PDF on the group. Now I'm just explaining what you all have to do again. The PDF जो मैंने भेजा, okay, this PDF. So जिधर से तुम लोग, I think you all have written, everyone has written till here. Okay, So what you all have not written, this you all have to write in your notebooks and send me your PDF by tomorrow 5 p.m. Okay, is this clear for everyone?